Hello again, Luz. How are you doing today?
I'm very good. How are you?
Excellent. It's great to see you out on this bright, sunny Florida day.
Yes, it's actually pretty.
Yeah. So we're here today at 106 Park Forest Boulevard, and we just want to give everybody a little quick tour.
Oh,
You,
this property is really nice.
you've done quite a few real open houses here, Luz, and you had so much activity. Everybody just loved the place.
Yes, it is. It is a really nice one.
Yeah, the exterior here is cared for by the community, so all you have to worry about is the interior of this house. And we did have a previous contract on this house, which unfortunately the buyer wasn't able to complete due to complications with the stock market and the coronavirus. So this home is just waiting here for the new owner. This is a new technology we're trying. This is called a Matterport, and yes, it's been around for a while, and I wasn't really engaging with it, but I think I like it now. What do you think, Liz?
Like it.
Yeah, so it has a really nice living room here. And this is a skylight right there. That's one of those dome skylights.
Yeah.
So every time I'm at that house, I try to shut that light off and I can't do it. It's very, very bright light. You almost don't need any lights on in this house when this is on. And you'll notice this light's not on, this light's not on. This is just natural light in this room. It's a very nice, bright house.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
And right away when you get in, you have that living room area, and your guest room is here to the left.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a beautiful room. And this is being sold turnkey furnished. So the furniture you see in here is definitely staying. The sellers have already gone north. This home is ready for you to occupy.
And very
there's a guest room.
convenient. Yeah, very convenient for your guest. Guest bathroom is very close to the room.
Yeah. And everything is so neat and tidy in this house. Mr. and Mrs. Clean must have lived here. That's all I can say about that.
They already took their personal items, right?
Yes, they did. They've already taken all of their personal items, so everything you see here will remain.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, this is a Florida room that actually does not have air conditioning, but it has sliding glass doors on 3 sides of it to the house. And then these windows are well insulated. So you can open this up and have this as extra living space. This family had a lot of grandchildren also. That is why there's sofas everywhere. They're actually sleeper sofas. And they pulled out, I think they told me they slept 13 people in this house one time.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep, all their grandkids. But you see the sliders here and on the other side too. So you can open up that and have it plenty cool out there, even in the hot summertime. And that's the north part of the house too, so it's not getting the blazing sun in the afternoons or anything. Let's go in the kitchen. I'm learning how to navigate this thing still. There we go. Okay, lots of eating space in here.
Very nice.
Yep, lots of space and extremely well maintained. We kind of we don't go all the way into the garage here, but I'm going to take you to show you. There's a workbench out there, and the laundry is out here right outside of the kitchen door.
Yeah, it's a very well maintained garage.
Yeah, everything in this house is very well maintained. Yeah, the sellers were meticulous. All right, let's go check out the master suite real quick. Nice big room, laminate wood floors in here. I want to go over here so you can see the closet.
There's a closet right away to the left.
Yeah, let me get turned around here. There we go. Big walk-in closet there.
Mm-hmm.
And look at the soft, subtle colors in this room. It's just so relaxing. I think I could sleep in very easily in this room.
Yeah.
And a beautiful master bath. The previous buyer did have inspections done, and anything she requested to be repaired from that inspection has already been done to a T. We have all of the receipts and everything. So if someone is curious about the condition of the home, you can find that is actually in excellent condition. Also, the association recently replaced the roof on this house and most of the others along this area. That's a process that's done, I think, every 15 years they replace roofs. And I believe it was 7 or 8 years they repaint all of the houses. And that's included in your association fees.
That is pretty good.
Yeah. The association fee is just over 300. No, I'm sorry. That's the wrong house. It is $753 quarterly for this subdivision.
That's even better.
Yep. All of that maintenance is included, as well as the clubhouse and the pool area and lots of other recreational activities in this community.
And they have a lot of activities. This is a very active community.
Mm-hmm.
If you like to do stuff, they do a lot. They have the clubhouse. They have activity from Tuesday to Sunday. Sometimes on a Monday, they only have card games, but they do a lot. And it's just only if you want to be active or not.
Yep, you can do as much or as little as you like.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, I can't get back out on the lanai. I was trying to get back out here. It keeps taking me back and forth. Well, so we're so glad that you joined us here. And if there is anything that we can do for you, if you would like to have a private tour of this house, or you'd like to have a tour like this done of your own house if you're thinking of selling, we are standing by using the best technology and the safest CDC regulations to keep you and your family safe. And believe it or not, we're still getting new contracts and selling homes, even in this environment. So Liz, tell them how to reach us.
Okay, you can call us to our office number, that is 941-681-3420.
That's right. And if you'd like to download our app, we have one of the best apps in the industry for searching for property that you can download at lbteam.us. So please reach out to us if there's anything we can do for you. And thanks again for joining us.